Hi, it's Candace from STS, and today I'm going to show you how to make a 100% waterproof paper boat using our mega tank kit. So first of all, you need to make sure that your paper is upside down so the logo is facing down, and then take the top right hand corner and put it down to a right angle so that the line on the left is perfectly straight. Then you need to unfold this, and the next step is do the same from the top left hand corner. And then again unfold this. Then you're going to flip it over so the logo is facing up again, and then you're going to fold the paper over through the centre point of the folds. Then you need to flip the paper back over again and press down on the centre point. Next, you're going to make sure that these dots line up here. So you need to pull these down to the centre here and then flatten the top section. Then you need to make a fold in the centre of the piece that's left at the bottom so that it lines up with the bottom of the triangle. Next you need to fold up the bottom corners like this and then flip the paper back over again. Next you need to make a fold down the centre of the paper and then unfold it. Next you need to pull the left hand edge down to meet the line in the middle as if you're making a paper aeroplane. And then do the same for the right. Next you need to make a fold where the lines already are. Fold up the triangles and then turn it over and fold it back on itself so it's flat. Next you need to draw a dot about 2/3 of the way up on the side and then pull the bottom corner to meet the dot. And then you need to do the other side so that it matches where the fold is. So this is where it gets complicated. You've got 5 folds on the bottom and you need to make sure your thumbs are either side of the middle one and then just pull out so that the middle fold flattens into the bottom. So now you're going to turn the boat inside out. So you need to start from one of the sides and make sure that you hold this point and this point while you're turning it so that it doesn't rip. So you need to just push it out whilst holding that point. And then do the other side. Next you want to put your thumb or finger into this section and push it out. But this is how your boat should look. So for this step you need to make sure that you're wearing the gloves and you're going to blue tack membrane over the bottom of the boat. Make sure that there's no gaps in any of the seals so no water can get in and your boat will be 100% waterproof. So look, to be honest, they don't always go to plan the first time. I mean, this is my first attempt of course, but... So here's one that we didn't use a blue tack membrane for. You can see the back's ripped and it's completely soggy inside and all on the bottom. And here's one that we made just 20 minutes ago. Completely dry inside. For your chance to win a free mega tank kit, send us your blue tank boat videos to the email on screen or tweet us your creations.